Hey everybody, Trey with Texas Property Management Partners. I am here in the University Oaks area of Houston, Texas. Got a new client that is coming on board. She is rehabbing a property. It is her family home, and she has hit a little bit of a roadblock in terms of what to do to make sure that she maximizes ROI while the home is being rehabbed now, because you never want to do it later, right? She had mentioned that this property is going to be her kids in the future, and so she wants to make sure that she gets some money out of it until that point. So here we are in the kitchen. You can tell it's got some original tile here with some, rust stains and stuff like that. She had mentioned that she wanted to do marble countertops, which I suggested against, mainly because your ROI on marble's probably not where it's going to be from a rental standpoint. Something that's more renter friendly would be like Corian, quartz, or granite. Those are much more affordable and durable, so they should last, the likelihood until her kids take over the property. One of the things that I really like about this University Oaks area is you've got a lot of classic homes here. It's a really nice church over there. So you've got these medium-sized homes on large lots. This particular house is just over 1,900 square feet. And so it's really cool when you find, owners that want to keep the nostalgia of the home, but just modernize it. So as you may be able to tell, she's got the wood plank tile in here, which I'm going to suggest that she carries out throughout the rest of the house over here and probably into the kitchen. So let's take a look at this side of the home. All right, over here, we've got the primary bedroom. It's got a nice vanity area, a his and her closet. It's a good size area in here. I know back in the day, they had these burglar bars because, in all honesty, I don't think they knew any other way to really kind of protect themselves. So it's just use of necessity for the time. So I will talk to her about potentially removing them. But the main key element here is you want to make sure that if you're doing an investment, it's up to fire code, right? So in these particular bars, they do have an access point. So if it's not within her budget to have them removed, that's perfectly fine, but we just need to make sure that the home is up to fire code. So over here in the primary bathroom, she's already let me know that all of this stuff is going to get replaced. Toilet, sink, all that. I'm probably going to suggest to her to do just a shower area over here instead of a shower tub combo, mainly just because modern people don't really use shower tub combos that much anymore. However, in the shared bathroom, I'm going to suggest that she does keep this, maybe bring everything up to a modern standard, but in a 3-2 that's over 1,900 square feet, there's a high likelihood that you're going to have children in the home. And so I can tell you from personal experience, my young kids still love to have baths, so you want to make sure that you've got that as an option. These rooms look to be a good size. That one probably is a 12 by 12 to a 13 by 12. This one is at least probably a 12 by 13 or 14. So these are really good sized rooms in the property. It's also got 2 closets in here. So this is a really nice room, and you can tell how bright it is in here as well. So anyway, it's got a cedar closet. Those are pretty hard to come by these days. So I know she had mentioned that meant a lot to her coming up. But if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to us, 800-833-8330, or find us online, txpmpartners.com. We'd love to help you out.